footage is from a couple months ago when we used to build the road from Kigaska to Blancpalan. Now, we didn't actually build the road, we just supplied the equipment in and out of the site because it had to be sailed by barge into the worksite and out of the worksite when they're done. But here we're just in the helicopter flying over where all the action took place, so you'll be able to see exactly what I'm talking about. Right now, we are flying into where the landing is, which means it's the actual place where we would beach the barge. You would stem the beach, position the barge, secure it, throw the ramps on, and drive all the equipment onto the barge. When everything is on, loaded, secured, we would take the barge and sail out. But here you can see we're just approaching the location of the landing itself. So it's the middle of nowhere. They threw down a couple rocks, made a nice little natural ramp, and that's exactly where we stick the barge to. Now, I believe at this point we had 2 trips to go. It was a total of 3 trips, and on the way out we would take the exact route that the helicopter is flying right now. So we would go into the bay and through this little passage. Now, there isn't a lot of water here. It seems like there's a lot, but at low tide you can see all the rocks and rapids and shoals, so it's kind of difficult to maneuver through. And then it's a straight shot out of this little narrows into the bay. Now, waiting for us in the bay, we have our actual barge there. The reason it's there right now, and the reason we're not there, is because it's a storm outside, so we hit it up in the river. We left it on anchors. We're just flying to the barge to see the positioning of the anchor lines, to see that everything is holding, that nothing sank on us, that there is no water ingress in any of the ballast tanks, to check that the batteries are operational for the boats and for the excavator. So it's a quick in and out excursion. I just wanted to provide a concept of where exactly we were working earlier this year.